Rappelez-vous, suis jeune, même que vous. Et si j'échoue, c'est toute la jeunesse madame qui échoue. Hello, Sahel community. So let's come back to this new video in order to implement exercise 2. So I'm going here over small steps in order to make you have more confidence in troubleshooting, configuring troubleshooting, and just figure out networks. So in this new exercise, we've been tasked to connect user, admin user on the layer 2 switch and HR user on additional HR user on the layer 3 switch, the multi-layer switch that you have there. So our topology is still from the last simulation. What we need to add here are the users on the different switch as described there. So what you should ask yourself first is the state of your network. Can actually connect the user ping each other? If the answer is yes, you should remember your test before in order to recheck your test after you complete your task. Okay, if you change configuration on your network. In this scenario, we should attach one user from the blue VLAN to the access layer switch. The question is, what's the blue VLAN? So they are connected to port 1 and 2 on the multi-layer switch. You should go there and check, because they say admin user to the layer 2 switch. So it is admin. It should be admin. You see here, admin is VLAN 50. Look right here. Admin is VLAN 50. It's connected to port 1 and 2. We now need to connect this user from the admin to any port on the access layer switch. How it goes is we just take our copper cable from there and we move down here from 0 to any port. Let's say port 5. Okay, it is PC2. Let's move it to port 2. It is PC2. Let's move it to port 2 to make things easier. Okay, the PC as given here is already configured with the IP address and the gateway. Let's connect this other PC, the yellow one, to any port. It is PC5. Let's connect it to port 5. To port 5. So the easiest one, what is the easy one to start here with? It is, you will agree with me, it is the yellow one, because we already have yellow users here on the right, which can communicate with the blue users. This means that VLAN from the yellow user is all over our network, is on the multi-layer switch, is on the trunk, is on the access switch. The only thing we need to configure for the yellow user here, the PC5, is to assign the port 5 to VLAN 30. This is the only thing we have to do. Let's say show VLAN. It is HR, mean VLAN 30, conft int interface. Oh, my PC is a little bit slow. 0.5 switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 30. At this stage, you should be able to ping from PC 5 to any other destination except PC2. Okay? PC2 will not be able to communicate. Now, for PC2, we should go on the layer 2 switch and configure this PC2, the port 2, to VLAN 50. Okay, let's keep this for later, the test for later. So we get to the multi-layer switch. Let's do it a little bit quicker. My PC is pretty slow actually. So let's say show VLAN. You can see that we don't have VLAN, the admin VLAN. You can see here we only have the HR VLAN. The admin VLAN is not there. It's not configured. So those are things that you need to check before starting your implementation. VLAN 50, name admin. It was PC2. Interface if A02. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 2. What's that? Switch port access. No, not VLAN 2. VLAN 50. Sorry, VLAN 50. Switch port access VLAN 50. I was too fat typing. Okay. Do show VLAN. Let's make sure that the port 2 is assigned to VLAN 50. You can see right there, it's assigned to. Okay, refer to the last video. Can PC2 actually ping PC 0 and 1 in the same VLAN? Here we go. We can say ping 192. Look, we are from this PC5, the yellow one. If we can ping from PC5 to PC2, then everything is all right. 192.168.1.10. Look right there. Look right there. It should be all right. Because every step that were needed for the configuration has been configured. But PC is a little bit slow. Reason why you don't see the PC is reacting really slow actually. So let's wait for the ping to come and we will terminate this video for now. You saw the step that you need to configure in order to complete the task. You see right there, as I said, it will be successful. You see right there. Okay. Ask a question. I'm sorry that the PC is quite slow actually, but the objective was for you to see the step, how you should move step by step in order to implement that task that was assigned to you right there. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Nothing else has been configured on the switch. Pretty easy. Okay, bye-bye.